in the hope of eternal life which is God, who cannot lie, promised long ages ago. Anong katangian ni God? Anong katangian ni God? He cannot lie. Now listen. If God tells us that He will provide everything that we need according to His riches and glory, will you believe God? Yes. Kung naniniwala ka, then why are you worried? If you're worried, you're telling God you're a liar. Tama ba? Eh, ba't ka worried? Bakit ka concern na concern? Tumasa naman ng gasolina, tumasa naman ng ganito. Nakakainis na. Relax. Ang buhay mo, wala sa balita. Ang buhay mo, hawak ng Diyos. Sabi ng Bible, if you seek His kingdom first and His righteousness, all these things shall be added unto you. Kahit magsitaas pa yan. Because we do not belong to this earth. We are citizens of heaven. Kung citizens ka ng heaven, anong kinakatakutan mo?